Hi, I'm Lalit from 2008 batch.
I'm Yogesh from 2008 batch.
So, two reasons for choosing entrepreneurship. The first one was, uh, to be candid, couldn't have survived in corporate world, so knew what I can't do. Second, I think the entire sense of creation, the sense of being on your own, and having experienced it once early on in my career, got me hooked onto it. Then once an entrepreneur can't be anything else. That's what worked for me. If you look at the problem that we are trying to solve is uh, in the entire banking and financial services scenario, the most important thing is to reach the last mile, to reach the unbanked population. But that is most important and not really happening at the moment because of the cost of reaching out to that segment of the society is very high. So for banking services, banks and financial services, it's practically impossible to make it viable and sustainable to do servicing for those customers. So the only way to make it happen is through digital. So we are trying to kind of connect those masses or pretty much everybody. So anybody who needs banking services and the providers of banking services through most efficient digital channels is what we try to do.
So what we are devising is ways in which we can again cut down the cost for sourcing, cut down the cost for disbursement, etc., and figuring out ways in which we create efficiencies in the ecosystem. So that's something which we are diligently doing. There are fair good amount of operational inefficiencies that we are fairly focused on cutting one by one and creating an ecosystem where the cost of sourcing, the time audit for disbursement, and also the TAT for the end customers, plus the transparency is increased.
I think the joy of going through this journey is something which is fantastic. The advice to people is that you got to have your family on your side. You got to have uh, support from family. That is one of the most important things. Otherwise, you get burned down much faster if your family support is not there with you. That's the first thing. Another thing I would say is that it's a long journey. There's no quick success. You got to be prepared for toiling for a couple of years before actually you become profitable. I think scale profitability will happen when it has to happen, but you need to start enjoying from day one. You need to kind of enjoy the journey. If you don't enjoy it, then it's not going to happen. So it's something you got to dig your heels and then be there.
No day you can think of, okay, I'm tired today and therefore I cannot do it. Still need to go out and do it.
They kind of get you ready for the grind. So I know entrepreneurship is also more like going through that grind. So the first thing is that the way you're never able to kind of solve your cases in time. So is the case in entrepreneurship. You'll not be able to solve all the problems, but you still need to keep going. I think it's the most important thing that PGPX taught. One was this grind thing, and second was having a perspective in various dimensions, which are definitely needed in entrepreneurship.
It also gives you an ecosystem of
Yeah.
a group of friends
True.
who are like family to you, and they open so many doors for you when you are an entrepreneur, and they are at positions which they can offer help, they can offer guidance, or connect you to people. That's a help that every entrepreneur needs.